Is it cold? The ice is so cold? You want to hold it? Oh, blowing bubbles.
That was really cold.
That's okay. Was it good? Cora, was it good?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
That's okay. Want another sip?
You want some more?
Want another drink?
Would you like Peter? Touch it.
And then this whole thing hurts.
Okay, and then you touch it again to Peter.
No! It's so cold.
Try not to shake.
Yeah, you can have some more.
Yay! Is that cold, Kayla? Cora? Oh, I like it. It must be really cold. It's just cold? What do you have in your cup? What do you have? Ice? You got ice in there?
Yeah, you gonna shake it? Yeah. You want some more? No, it's so cold. Okay. You drink a lot.
Oh, cold.